Hello, ambitious naturalista. Congratulations on your investment in your natural hair journey. You are probably here because you want to grow long, healthy hair. Or maybe you've already got long hair, but you want to minimize your breakage and enhance your regimen. Or perhaps you're just a massive nerd and you want to soak up as much knowledge as you can about hair science. Whatever the reason, welcome. Let's say that this is you. You've got loads of things happening in your life, your family, your career, passions, social life, hobbies, etc. But there's something else. As a natural, you are confronted with a number of options for maintaining your hair. So, what do you choose? The aim of this crash course is to give you a solid introduction to your hair and make it easier for you to make decisions about it that will move you forward with intention. If you're a social media person, now is an excellent time for a selfie or a picture that you can post in your stories, and make sure that you tag me so that I can reshare. This crash course fits into a larger framework of what allows you to grow long, healthy hair for the first time. So I like to see your ideal regimen as existing at the interface of self-love and acceptance, the right tools and techniques, and an intimate knowledge of your hair's characteristics. Today, we're focusing mainly on learning the right tools and techniques and also gaining an intimate knowledge of your hair's characteristics, with your hair being the operative word. Within all of the tools and techniques that there are, I have chosen to focus on oils and butters. Why is that? Well, for several reasons. As someone who travels and moves a lot, I wanted to give you the tools to easily choose oils that are available to you regardless of where you live. Essentially, this liberates you from any attachment to one brand or one product. You're still free to choose, but you'll have a more informed framework for doing so. You can also choose oils to suit any sort of budget that you're on, and you can then tailor your oils to your needs. And if you go somewhere else or your product is no longer available, you can easily find an alternative. So, what's the point of the crash course? Oils can help you preserve your hair and grow it long and healthy. That said, many naturals fail to achieve these benefits. They may have hair that feels stiff or brittle or super oily or even unmoisturized. And the aim of this crash course is to give you as much guidance as possible so that you can choose and use oils in your hair and reap their benefits. You're already an empowered naturalista with an inquisitive mind and self knowledge. So, my aim here is just to help you make adjustments to your regimen and align it even more closely with your goals and your unique head of hair. And more specifically for today, you want to be able to select oils on the basis of your hair's characteristics and your hair goals. So, that is what we are doing for you today. As with any advice you get on your hair, I want you to filter what I share today through your own self knowledge and your own awareness of your hair. As I like to tell my one to one coaching clients, you are the custodian of your hair. You know your hair much better than I do. And in this light, what you learn here serves to enhance your existing hair care practices and help you align them even better with your goals. So, what are we going to look at? Well, we're going to look at the structure of your hair in delicious detail. We'll then look at the oils that exist within your hair and on the surface of it. We'll learn the structure of those oils, what those oils can do to your hair, the different phases of your regimen when you can use those oils, how your hair might be different from somebody else's, and how that might influence the choices you make when choosing oils. Then we'll have a few examples of selecting oils in different scenarios, and I will tell you what your next steps are. We obviously can't cover everything in this 90-minute crash course, but it is full to the brim with things that you will be learning. However, you will not be learning about growth oils or oils for your scalp. We are focusing primarily on oils for your hair. We will not be looking at essential oils, but rather carrier oils. And there'll be no focus on synthetic oils because this workshop is focused on natural oils. So things that come from vegetables or plants. And we will not be looking at Ayurvedic infusions or herbs either. Now, these are all potentially aspects of a healthy hair regimen, and we could cover these in a future crash course. So if you are interested, let me know, and I could create some content on this in the future, but that is not on the agenda for today. So before we get into things, here's a quick word about me. My name is Asha, and I help new and overwhelmed naturals grow long, healthy hair for the first time through one-to-one mentoring, regimen building consultations, and workshops. I am obsessed with hair and the science of hair, and I'm a molecular biologist by training, and I'm currently pursuing studies in trichology and hair science, and I am already certified in trichology. And if there's anything here that you want to share, there are a few things I would like you to do. So the first is please credit this workshop. This is the 90-minute Grow Your Fro Long Hair Crash course by Naturally High. Number two, DM me or email me to let me know that you've shared so that I can reshare the fact that you have shared. And if you'd like, you can request an affiliate link so that you can earn commission on any sales that you make through sharing. And sharing is caring. So I want to give back to anyone who attracts more people to this crash course and helps empower more naturalistas around the world with this knowledge. And now it's time to head over to part one. Enjoy!